Hello, my name is Matkom and I'm lead designer at Forcers. Today we are going to take a look at our website and I'm going to tell you a little bit about its features. So without further ado, let's go to our website. This is our homepage and we have our hot files, new files, and we have our mods overview. So you'll see that we have 4 series here. These are officially supported series by Forcers. That's why it's called Forcers. And we have an unsupported section. So we have mods for other games than the supported for series, but there is no official technical support from the Forcer staff for these games. So let's log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can get an account by logging in with your social media or with your Steam account. We have an SSL certificate, so it's all safe. We already have an account, so let's log in. And to show you a little bit, you can access your profile here. We have a reputation and warning system. You can go to your profile and check all that. We have followed content settings. So the side you will see that we have follow buttons content, and we have the account settings. So here you have all your settings. These are the login handlers. As I showed before, you also have a signature for the website, and you can edit your notifications for the website. So you can tell the site if you want it in the notifications or in email or not at all, or so. And what's worth, I personally disabled it on my account, so I thought it's worth mentioning. We also have an internal messaging system and we have a notification system. So you'll get notifications and messages from the website and from the staff and other members. So let's get into the mods. So how to actually add a mod. You need to be logged in to add a mod. And on the home page, you'll see that we have a button here, Add Mod, and we have a button under Mods, Add Mod. So let's select the game. We'll use Fallout 4 for this tutorial. And it will ask you to add under this button here, so in this field. And the reason for that is that we want to check your files on their file size. We want to check if it's a real file, so no spam or that kind of stuff. And we want to quality check your mod. So we are going to test it in game. We have a special team for that to test if it actually works, if it's conflicting with anything. And the reason for all that is that we want to assure people that mods that are added to our website are secure and that we deliver quality mods. So you can add your mods to our website, but they will be checked. That's just a warning for that. And it's all because we want to assure quality. So for now, I just added this link to get to the following step, and you'll see that we have an instruction for uploading screenshots and videos. You can read it, but I'm going to show you in a bit how to add it. Next, we need to add a name for a mod, so let's add that mod. You can also add tags, so let's add Fallout 4 as a tag. And here we have our description section. So you can see that I added this as a description and I give it a nice color that you can edit here. We also have a code block, which you can add with this button. And we have a picture that I added by choosing files and add a picture. This is not a supported way for adding screenshots, but if you want to have your description, you can add them by clicking choose files or drag them here. I will show you in a bit how to add actual. So this system is pretty pretty extended. Just play with it and you'll see that you have different options for adding or creating a description. So you also need to specify the files, the number of files that you add to the website. And that's just a bit of information for the user. You will see where this ends up in a bit. And the version number for your mod. So normally we would save and submit the files, but I already did it. So if we go back to the home page, you'll see that we have a nice file here. So this is how the files end. So you have your description here. We have a download this file button. We have some file information. So it will count the views for the mod, the downloads for the mod, the submitted, when it's submitted, and also when it's last updated. So users can give reviews on your mods and can give comments on your mods, and both will be only accessible once they have actually downloaded your file. So to edit the details for the mod, you click on File Actions, Edit Details, and it will give us the option here to upload a new version of the file or a screenshot. So this is where you add your screenshots. Be aware that you have to tick off this button, because otherwise it will add a changelog to your website and replace your version number. Also, if you're actually uploading a new file, you can use this to add a changelog to tell people what is new in your new version. So to actually add screenshots, we have I choose files here, and you can drag and drop them, and it will give you this your screenshots like this, and you can click this little circle here and it will say make this your primary screenshot. So click save and it will make that screenshot your primary screenshot, which you'll see here. So this is the primary screenshot, and you'll see that will actually give the image here as one screenshot. So in the when you're uploading, you can also enlarge it, but it's not the official supported way for adding screenshots. That is the way I just showed you. So when your file is submitted to the website, it doesn't mean that it's ready to download. At first you will be the only person that sees your mod, and of course will review your mod, and once your mod is approved you will get a message. If you have multiple files and you click on download this file, it will take you to the download package. If you have one file, it will automatically download your file. So if you have multiple files and you click on download this file, it will take you to this page, and it will tell you where to find the install instructions, and it will give you the package. So here are the options for multiple files, and if you click them, it will automatically download these files. So that is a bit about the mod system and how to add mods. We also have a community. And this is where you can add this, or can join in discussions on certain subjects for specific games that we support. So you can start a topic here, discussions on how to mod specific games. You can also ask questions here. So all the discussions about here. We also have a general section for questions and discussions about the network, and you can also click here for technical issues, which will take you to the help center, which we'll see in a bit. And we also have our academy. So we will add tutorials here about how to mod games, and tutorials on the Skyrim Creation Kit and the Garden of Eden Creation Kit. That the next creation kit for Fallout 4 will also be the Garden of Eden Creation Kit, but you will to create specific things for these creation tools, and also add some tutorials on how to make specific things. So if we go to groups, you'll see that we have groups for the series that we support. We also have user groups, so you can create your own groups. And we have a mod development group, and we have the Forcers Network groups. So the user groups are basically like on other social media. You can create your own groups, like on like on on other social media. So you can add groups here. So for example, show your Fallout character or your Skyrim character, and just it just works as a lot of other social media groups. That's also for the game series. We have specific groups for each game. We have a mod development section where you can join in the mod development section, where you can actually join in the discussion. So Thompson Island is one of the mods that we are creating, and this is where we'll have our discussions. So we also have our think tank, where you can add your ideas for us for mods that you want to see for the supported game series. And we have our Forcers Network section, where we have the Help Center and the Forcers Development group. So the Help Center is to help you with specific things. So here you can also ask your questions about the network, and we'll try to answer them as best as we can, of course. And you can join in adding discussions on the development of Forcers. So that's a bit about the group section. So yeah, that's basically in a nutshell. Hover over Forcers and you'll find the staff button here, and you will see all the staff members on the website. You can contact one of us and ask. So we'll see you guys next time, and we'll hope that you enjoy the website that we created for you.